Hi everyone. So this is Yasser. So welcome to my channel Kind Master Tech. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is life insurance and what is definition of life insurance and how does life insurance works. So let's begin without wasting time. In this video, we will know all things about life insurance. So let's begin. First of all, I am going to tell you the definition of life insurance. Insurance is designed to reassure you that your dependents, such as your children or a partner, will be financially looked after in the event of your death. So there are several things to think you when buying it, such as the type of policy you want, when you need it, and how to buy it. So now, how life insurance work? Life insurance pays out either a lump sum or regular payments on your death, giving your dependents financial support after you are gone. So the amount of money paid out depends on the level of cover you buy. You decide how it's paid out and whether it will cover specific payments such as mortgage or rent, or if it's to leave your family with an inheritance. So what types of life insurance are there? Life terms insurance policies, and these terms run over a fixed period of time known as the term of your policy, such as 5, 10, or 25 years. They only pay out if you die during the policy. There are three kinds of term life policies. Level pays a lump sum if you die within the agreed time. The level of cover stay the same throughout. This is the most simple and affordable version. So decreasing the level of cover reduced every year. It's designed to be used with repayment or mortgage and where the outstanding loan decreases over time. So now increasing the level of coverage is over the time of the policy to keep up the inflation. Whole of life insurance policies. So these pay out no matter when you die. As you keep up the premium payments, they are often used to help towards a fundal or the inheritance for planning, tax plannings. However, they are typically more expensive than shorter term policies. There are also a possibility that if you have live longer than you expected, you could end up paying more in than you will get out. So now, whose life are you covering? So you can choose a joint policy or a single point. If you take out joint life insurance, the money will go to the surviving policyholder, such as your spouse. This is unless you made alternative agreements. If you take out single life insurance, the money goes into your estate, and so you need to decide who it goes to when you die. A joint life policy is usually more affordable than two separate single policies. However, joint life cover only pays out the first death, so whereas buying two single policies would make sure they pay out on each death. So do you need life insurance? Life insurance pays when you die, not when you lose an income due to illness or disability. So we have discussed about life insurance in this video. If you have any question about life insurance, you can ask me. I will give you response as soon as possible. So thanks for watching.